I'm Attorney Nick Alcock. I'd like to speak a little bit about assault. Now, assault in Arizona is defined by Arizona Revised Statutes section 13-1201, etc. And assault is a misdemeanor typically if it involves a physical touch with the intent to injure, insult, or provoke. So two guys get into a bar fight and no weapons are used. They're usually going to be charged with a misdemeanor. Normally they're going to have to go to city court. Everything changes if a number of other circumstances exist. It's a felony if a police officer is involved. It is a felony if a dangerous instrument or a weapon is involved, if there's serious physical injury, or if the assault occurs during the commission of another crime, such as a kidnapping. And an assault becomes a very different creature if it is charged as a felony, especially if a dangerous instrument is used and then the prosecutors charge the person with aggravated assault, class 3 felony, dangerous, because the consequences for that type of crime range between 5 and 15 years in prison versus a misdemeanor where it might just be a couple days in jail, or maybe not even jail. Possibly you can get a diversion program. So how you are charged with assault really determines exactly what happens to you and what your starting point is. So if you are facing a felony assault charge in Arizona, I definitely think it's a good idea to call an attorney, because the way that you're charged and how your case is handled can drastically impact your life. Our number is 602-989-5000. That's 602-989-5000. And again, for a misdemeanor, the typical range of punishment is a diversion class, maybe a day or two in jail, something along those lines. That's if no dangerous instrument or weapon or serious injury occurs. For a felony, if the assault is on a police officer, if it is involved in another crime, if a child is involved, then we're talking about a different creature, and I definitely suggest that you call an attorney immediately. Again, our number, 602-989-5000 is our number, and it's a free consultation. Never any pressure whatsoever on people to call. If you just want to get some answers over the phone, feel free to give us a call and we'll take care of you. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it.